12, 5:15. Just got the blind set up. Decoys out. We got a big trailer here today. We're pretty serious. We got 9 guys, 8 guns. I'm behind the camera again. And we had birds here last night, probably 300-400. So we're gonna see what happens tonight. We got a nice, I haven't even checked it yet, but it looks like a northwest wind. They're gonna be flying into us. Hopefully the boys shoot straight, so let's see what happens. September 25th, 5:58 p.m. The boys are settled in 2 A-frames connected to each other, sitting over a cut sweet corn field. Going to be an aggressive night if we can get them in here again. We got 8 shooters, 1 guy behind the camera, myself, and we're gonna have a good time hopefully. So let's stay tuned, we'll see what happens.
What are those, Woodies? Woodies are laying in our spread. They're hot. Pull that front in pretty good, guys.
Straight up front, straight up front.
Are we taking them? Are we taking them?
Hold on, they're kind of peeling off to the right. Oh, no, they're coming right in, baby. Hey, get ready.
Nope, they just fired. Tell me when.
Somebody call it.
Check. Well, I didn't hit a single one of those, folks. These ones are gonna come.
These are all covered.
These geese are about to get some, boys.
What was that, Joe?
About to get some.
We can buy last long.
Those guys are gonna shoot. Those ones will come up and then shoot. 3, 1.
You want me to run out there?
Yeah, we're gonna have to go chase a couple down.
Hey, what are these guys doing?
God, they're not coming into our pattern at all.
Yeah.
Moving or are you picking them up? 2, 3 birds.
Dude, there's so many out there.
I'd shoot these boys. I'd shoot. Shoot them.
Ready?
Go.
Take 'em.
I got one for sure. Well, that's it. Those does are lucky because they got another week. But these geese, not so lucky. Saw a ton tonight. Ended with 8. Great hunt. Great night being out here. Now it's on bow season.